Let's get right into the very first website, which is called getpaid2.com. You can immediately see that with this website, you can earn money very easily by just going online. You can earn GT points for simple tasks such as completing surveys, playing games, watching videos, and a whole lot more things. Take note that everything will be done just like you're doing in your day-to-day life. The methods will be so easy that it's just like doing your mundane tasks every time you open your device and visit the internet. So how does this work? Well, I want you to scroll down and you'll find that with 3 quick steps, you're all set with getpaid2.com. Step 1. Do tasks like filing in surveys, watching videos, playing games, and more. Step 2. Earn points for the efforts that you've exerted on this platform. For every 5,000 points, you can earn the equivalent of $1. Now, before you think about it in a bad light, do know that earning 5,000 points will be just like one quick walk in the park. The best thing about it is that you can do as many tasks as you would like since they're ultimately limitless. As you scroll down to the page, more information about how to use the platform is revealed, such as this one right here. Fun online games with a wide selection of games where you can watch your earnings grow and then choose to cash out. You can either print them or trade them in for gift cards. You can also find these right here, which are high-paying surveys where you can simply let your opinions be heard by some of the best providers and research panels offering new ways to earn every day, as well as offer walls and quick points, which are also very effective ways on how to make money online. Everything is so mesmerizing because you can get the full package with this platform. PayPal is one of the world's most popular payment methods for digital banking due to its ease of use, among many other things. If you don't have a PayPal account just yet, I want you to head on over to paypal.com and from there, create an account. Just click the blue button right here that says Sign Up and it'll lead you to this page where information about yourself is needed, so just fill it up as you go. Now let's proceed to the website in number 2, which is called adwallet.com. This is where you can earn real money from your favorite brands. As they say right here, brands want your attention, so make them buy it. On the platform, you can get rewarded for watching videos. While each interaction only takes a few minutes and is worth up to $3, that is amazing by itself. You can also gain additional income by unlocking exclusive offers. Let's have a little tour of the entire homepage so that we may have full knowledge of what it's all about. Let's begin with this section right here where you can find out how it works. Step 1. Watch a video. Receive a text when it's time to log in to watch a short video handpicked just for you. Next, get rewarded. Earn a minimum of 50 cents up to $3 per video interaction. And finally, step 3. Make more money. Earn an additional $1 for every friend that you refer, plus download offers from brands that you love just by looking at how it works. The website is totally astonishing. Everything can be done just by the power of a few clicks as soon as your earnings reach an amount of 10. This is when you're allowed to cash out. No catch, no gimmicks, no confusing point systems. Just flat out straight cash. Just sign up for an account for free by clicking this button that says Create an Account and then begin your journey. Moving on to the third website where it incorporates receiving SMS tags done in full autopilot. This method is done without even budging a little effort other than setting it up for the first time. Then everything that follows will be done by the system, thus generating a very efficient passive income stream. So what's it called? It's none other than Money SMS app. As soon as you're on their main homepage, you can find that Money SMS is a free Android app that enables you to make money online automatically just by receiving SMS generated by their system and the customers. The only bummer is that they'll only cater to Android devices at the moment, since iOS doesn't allow the app to read messages. But who knows? Maybe in the near future, iOS devices will get an update, so stay tuned and I'll keep you posted. So I want you to scroll down and then head to this section where you can learn about how to make money online with their app. Step 1. Sign up, download, and install the app. Register and keep the app and internet running on your phone. Step 2. Receive automatic test SMS. Their system and customers will send test SMS to your phone number from time to time, and those texts will be your mighty money makers. Last but not the least, Step 3. Get paid. You'll automatically get paid 0.02 euros. When you receive the text messages, you can withdraw your money as soon as your 2 euros hits the balance. Receive this money through the PayPal account you created, and this will continue as long as you live. This is the beauty of passive income. Now heading on to the fourth and final website for today's video, which is called cashkarma.io. Cash Karma is basically a platform for you to earn rewards by completing small tasks, surveys, and more. This is the only reward app that lets you earn rewards even if you don't qualify for the survey. Amazing, right? It's surely perfect for beginners like you, so you're totally in good hands. I saved the best for last because there's this one amazing perk about the website. The moment you install the app, you can get an instant 300 points right there, and then you can redeem these points for PayPal cash or in exchange for Amazon gift cards. You can even earn extra bonuses when you earn an achievement. But how do you do this? Achievement badges are actually given to you as a way of honoring your accomplishments with the app. Such accomplishments include completing 5 offers, watching 25 videos, or earning 8,000 points. You'll increase your reward level each time you earn a badge, and get this, you'll have the privilege of earning up to a 12.5 bonus every time you complete an offer. There are certainly no limits to the amazing quality of this app. Simply download the app, complete some surveys, complete offers, and increase your levels, and you'll be earning fast stacks of cash online in a blink of an eye, taking one step closer to your ultimate goal of financial freedom. And that's it for today.